Hello friends, hope you are well. Chicken is a staple in keto. Unfortunately, chicken nuggets are not. The ones available in the market contain tons of carbs. So, Keto Twist is here to solve the problem for you. Let's get cooking. Ingredients are chicken breast, Greek yogurt, coconut flour, egg, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, and desiccated coconut. Cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Take one egg in the mixing bowl. Add Greek yogurt, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, coconut flour, and mix all the ingredients with the hand whisker. Now add chicken pieces in the marinade and mix it well. And marinate for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, as you can see, the chicken pieces are well coated with the marinade. Now take the desiccated coconut in the plate and spread it. Now take one piece of marinated chicken and coat with desiccated coconut. Do same with all the chicken pieces. You can add some psyllium husk with desiccated coconut, or you can simply use psyllium husk as a coating. Preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. Line a parchment paper on the baking tray and place all the chicken pieces on the tray. Brush the chicken pieces with the oil and bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius per side. Change the side of nuggets after 15 minutes. Now our chicken nuggets are well cooked. Serve with tomato sauce. Guys, if you like crunchier coating, then you can add some Parmesan cheese with desiccated coconut. This is really tasty, crunchy from outside and tender and soft from inside. If you are a chicken lover, then chicken nugget is perfect healthy snack for you. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.